Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at the transition from Salesforce Classic to Lightning User Experience. As you know, Lightning Experience is the latest Salesforce UI designed with intent to help users become more productive and sell faster and smarter. In this demo, we'll walk through the transition from Lightning Classics to Lightning for the overall navigation, global search, home, accounts, leads, opportunities. My name is William Tran, Solution Architect for Tran Consulting Inc. On the left, as you can see, is the Salesforce Classic view, and on the right is Lightning, the Salesforce Lightning UI. In the transition from a navigation perspective, the tabs across the top in the Classic view are moved to the icons on the left side of the Lightning view. Things to note is that Classic uses text, Lightning uses icons. The ordering of these tabs is not the same as the ordering of these icons. In fact, the tabs are configurable in terms of ordering by the users, while in Lightning it's configured by the administrator and not at this time available for users to configure the ordering of those tabs. One other thing to note is that in the Lightning UI, the capability of drag and drop is available while it's not available in Classic. For example, I can just drag opportunities and that will open a brand new tab for opportunities. Let's look at global search. We'll search on the Edge, which I believe is already there. From a global search perspective, it's pretty much identical. You can see one account, 2 contacts, and 4 opportunities. One account, 2 contacts, 4 opportunities, and the columns that gets returned is also the same from Classic to Lightning. The major difference, if you use that option, is that in the Lightning version, the advanced search options of limiting to the items I own and exact phrase is not available today for Lightning. Otherwise, both of them are pretty much identical. The look and feel is a little different. The objects in Classic is on the left and Lightning is on the top. But basically, they're the same. Let's take a look at the home page. Home page has changed pretty drastically. Lightning gives you 4 or 5 different new features that's not available in Classic, but at the same time they remove 4 or 5 features that is in Classic. So we'll take a look at real quickly at some of those. The new features in Lightnings are, as you can see right in front of you, quarterly performance. What this is allows you to track how you're doing against your goals. So my goal today is 3 million for the quarter, and as it looks, I'm getting close to about 2 million between closed and almost closed opportunities. Assistant is the Salesforce way of letting you know what you need to do today so that you can get your work done. It's a helper. Account insights. Account insights are more or less news or news articles that are related to the accounts that you're working on. Give you insights into your accounts. Recent records. Recent records is not new. In the Classic view, recent records is on the left, and it was global in the sense that regardless of where you go, you see recent records. In the Lightning view, it's only under the home page and not at the global view. Top deals. Top deals are your top deals or your top opportunities in terms of revenue being generated. So those are the top items that Lightning version added, or the features for Lightning. The features that are taken away from Classic, as you can see, is this whole calendar view. In Lightning, that is taken away. You just see pretty much a read-only events here. And you do have the capability of going to the full calendar view by clicking on this, but on the home page itself, this view is no longer there. Items to approve is also removed from the home page. Two other items that are removed are customizable dashboards and customizable homepage components. Those are does not exist today in Lightning. Let's go to the accounts page or tab. In the accounts tab here on the object page, as you can see, reports and tools are removed from the Lightning version. Otherwise, they're pretty similar. Let's go to all accounts. In the list view, the columns are pretty much the same. Ability to sort, all that is still there. The major difference is that the filtering, instead of having A to Z here, it's encapsulated in this little filter icon where you can click on it and choose to filter. Otherwise, basically, they're very similar. Lightning gives you this graphic view of your accounts, in this case, by industry. One thing to note is that Lightning does not have inline edit for the list view as of today. So for example, as you can see in Classic, I have inline edit for the list view. In Lightning, I do not. Let's go to the account details page. The classic view of the details page is right in front of you, and you have to scroll, scroll, and scroll to get to the information you want, with attributes being on the top and then related items being at the bottom. In the new Lightning view, everything is layered, or everything is separated by tabs. So you have on the top part summary information about your account, and then related items are in the related tab. The details is on the details tab. Activities is on the activity tab, and then collaborate, which is the same thing as pretty much chatter, is on its own collaborate tab. Things to note, the look and feel is a little different. These buttons are no longer there. They are here with 3 buttons shown, and the rest are in the drop down. The other things to note is that most of these are configurable. You can change what is displayed here, and these inline edit has been added recently for the details page. Again, it's not available on the list, but it is available on the details page. One quick thing to note is the Lightning view today does not have or support changing of account team on the account details page. It's available here in the classic view, but not in the Lightning view. Let's go to lead. Leads homepage is similar to account in that report, summary, and tools are removed. We can go to the all open leads. Similar to the account view, the list is pretty much the same as the account view, with charts and filter being right there. Otherwise, the everything else is pretty much the same in terms of the columns and the ability to sort. Let's go into the details page. As you can see, there is on the details page, it's totally different. Salesforce created what they call a workspace for the lead, with the intent is the ability to work this lead without leaving this page. So the new item here is what they call a sales path or sales process, where you have all the status or dispositions for the leads as you go through the path. In Lightning, you have the capability to configure a path where it has the specific fields for each one of these stages that allow users then to quickly identify what needs to be done, update it, or information that they might be interested in seeing. Also available is what they call guidance for success, guided instructions for users so that they know what to do at each of these status or state. The layout is different also from the classic in that, again, it's tab based instead of scroll up and down. You have activities, collaborate, and details on the left, and then the related items, if there are any, on the right. Again, this looks a little different from accounts, but as you can see next, the leads and opportunities are pretty similar in that they have what we call now workspace. Let's go to opportunities. Opportunities, similar to leads, have what is known as a workspace. A workspace, similar to leads, gives you the ability to work through these different states and ability to give guided coaching scripts or guidance script text to help the users identify what state or stage they're on and how to get to the next one. Similar to leads, there's activities, collaborate, and details in tabs on the left and related items on the right. And to get to one state from another, you can just click on the state that you would like and then mark that as the state that that you have completed. Out of the box, you can go back and forth, but depends on your business rules or your business needs. You can add in validation rules or other rules that tell you whether or not you can go back and forth, or you can only go forward and not backward. Another key or feature of opportunity is that they have, in addition to this grid view, you can see opportunities from what they call Kanban view. Basically, I would just call that the life cycle view. So what it is that it tells you what are all your opportunities and where they exist in terms of the full life cycle, from prospecting to close won. And the neat feature of these opportunities is that you can drag and drop if you believe that this opportunity should have been in the perception analysis. You can just drag that and move it there, and then now you can have a full picture view of where you're at with all these opportunities and what you need to do to move the opportunities from one state to another. Things to note about the opportunities is that there's a couple items that not yet available in Lightning. That includes the big deal alerts, if you are using that, or opportunity splits. So those are not yet available in Lightning. There are other minor items also. So that's pretty much a wrap for this demonstration. And feel free to leave comments or email me at william@trendconsultinginc.com. Thanks for watching.